Hi and welcome to my channel. Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and leave a like button. I'll be guiding you through on how to download and install this application, this Crazy Cow application that is said to be making daily income for all the investors who buy the cows. Like this first cow here is for new users, and the total amount in the total income is 590 daily, and it's valid for 1 day. As you can see, it's 1 day valid, and the daily income is 90 naira, and the deposit is 500. So the total income is 590. And then the second cow is currently, they said, like this red note below, it said celebrate holiday. The original price is 200,000 naira. Now only 100,000 naira is needed, saving 100,000 naira. The adoption cycle is reduced to 38 days. Invite friends to invest immediately. Return 3,000 naira and you can withdraw cash immediately. So these are the cow display. So now let me walk you through how to download and install this application. Below this video you will see a link and an invite code. So once you click on the link below this video, it will take you to this page where you actually download the application. Once you click the link to this video, it will bring you to this page, and on this page you will see install. I've already installed it, so it will, once you click on that link, to bring you directly to this page. Then you install it, and let me show you how to sign up. Once you click on that link, it brought you to that previous page. You install the application and then you open it. It will bring you to this page. And then once you're on this page, you come over to this button below the right corner here. So it wants to bring you to this button. You sign up because you're a new user. So this is how it's very simple. You just click on sign up, and then it will bring you to this page, and then you put your phone number. I've already registered, so I'll be logging in, not signing up. Once you put your phone number, this is example, your phone number, and then you put your password, and then you put your invite code. Your invite code will be in the description box below. You copy the link for the application. You put your code right here, and then you hit on this sign up. Once you hit on the sign up, then it will bring you to your dashboard. So right now I've already registered, so I will just be logging in. Okay, I've successfully logged into my account, and this is the dashboard. So if you're a new user, once you log into your account, they'll give you 200 naira bonus, and as you can see, this is the award amount right here, 200 naira on the right hand corner. This application is all about investing. If you don't invest, you don't get money. You can only get money by inviting other people. But this is how to recharge in case you want to recharge your account, and then recharge. You get a 5% reward for any amount to recharge. That means if you recharge 100, you get 5% reward. If you are recharging 50,000, you get 2,500 naira reward. If you are recharging 10,000, you get 500 naira reward. So, and you can pay with your SharePay or UPay or WePay. You can even pay with your USDT for crypto if you have your crypto account. But we are not buying anyone here because this is just a video tutorial, and I would really recommend you think very well and research more before you buy anything, so that you won't regret anything you're making. So whatever you want to pay or buy online, please make sure it's worth it. Don't buy what you cannot afford. Buy what you can only afford and what you won't be regretting. Please make sure you know what you are buying and what you can handle before you pay anything online. So after your purchase, you come back to the home page. For starting, you purchase this first cow, because this is for new users, and their rules here is that once you purchase this new user cow, you cannot purchase it twice, because it's only for new users, and you cannot purchase more than one. This is the default amount you can purchase, just one, and you cannot purchase more than one. It's only once, and the income is 19 naira. After you have selected your preferred cow you want to purchase, you click on it, and then you press adopt. Once you press adopt, they'll ask you if you are sure you want to purchase it. Then you say sure. But right now, if you click on this sure, because I haven't recharged this account, they will say the balance is insufficient, please recharge first. Okay, now we are not ready for recharging, so we are skipping this part. So let's go back to the main menu, which is this home page. And then when you come to this order, the cows you have purchased and the ongoing deals you have will appear here. So once you come to this place, you see all your transaction and the pending transaction. You see the total investment and the total income you have earned and the ones that are still pending, and that's all you see here. And then if you come back to this your dashboard, you will still see your current balance, and you see your reward, you see your earned income and the ones that are still pending. And if you have any issue with your app, you just click on this help button, and it will show you where to you get an online support. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel and give it a like button to help me create more videos like this. And please do not buy what you cannot handle. Thank you for watching my video, and take care.